So, my virtual reality friends, now we've truly reached the grand finale. At the beginning of my multiverse time, I had a few small issues with the armrest menu and some settings. So before we wrap things up, let's briefly go over the main menu and the most important features in Multiverse VR. Like most VR apps, the Multiverse also has a handy armrest menu bar. And don't worry, it's simple and logically structured. Let's start with settings. First up is the quiet mode. When you enter a room where loud music or videos are playing, just one tap and everything goes silent. Super practical. Then there's the standing sitting toggle. In my case, as you can see in this video, it's just a small downward step because I'm lying in bed using my Meta Quest. But if you're standing and want to pick something up off the floor, this feature is gold. Next, smooth walk and smooth turn. Two of the most important VR settings. If activated, you glide smoothly through the Multiverse Infiniverse. Your videos will look sleek and cinematic, but be careful. For many VR users, it's tough on the stomach. Personally, I always leave these off, as you'll notice in all my videos. With the standard step-by-step movement, I can spend the whole day in VR with zero side effects. Now, for the apartment beacon, this shows where your apartments are in the region. Very useful, especially for traders. But for casual exploring and playing, I prefer to keep it off. Let's finish with two essentials. Mute. One of the first tools you'll encounter is the mute function. If it's not activated, anyone in your region can hear you, even strangers. That might be new to some, but it's good to know. So if you're exploring with friends and want to chat privately, here's my clear advice. Don't use the in-world voice chat. Instead, use the built-in Meta Quest call function. It offers better audio quality and full privacy. Safe mode. If you want to play in peace or record videos undisturbed, switch this on. You'll disappear from the active user list, and no one can teleport to your location. As I said, this was just a quick surface-level tour, but don't worry, the menu is clear, organized, and easy to use. And with that, we've reached the end of our journey. We hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, drop a like, subscribe, or leave us a comment, and if you've got questions, feel free to post them below. Until next time, your Quadrax, also known as Multiverse Man.